Alright guys, as you can see, we have the truck again. The customer brought it to us because he really liked the job that we did on the bed of this truck, and he wanted us to wrap through the whole entire vehicle for him. So that's what we're gonna do for him. It's gonna be a major upgrade for this truck. And yeah guys, you guys already know the drill, so let's get to it. Alright guys, so the first step, like always, we're gonna start sanding the whole entire vehicle. After that, once that's done, we're gonna start taping, clean it with paint thinner, and it should be ready to be sprayed with Raptor. So let's get to it.
Alright guys, so we're pretty much done papering up. There was a few spots where it still had clear coat. All I did was just go back and with the sander and sanded them off. But all we're gonna do now is just clean the entire truck with paint thinner, alright guys?
Alright guys, so now that we're done prepping, we're gonna mention that this truck belongs to a Marine Corps veteran. So what we're gonna do for him, we're gonna put a Raptor design right here in this area. So right before that, I'm gonna spray a really thin layer of Raptor, so let's get to it. Alright guys, so we're pretty much done. That's the first layer. It's really thin, so we're gonna let it dry so we could give it the second pass. So let's just wait. Alright guys, so we'll let it sit there for about 45 minutes, so it's ready for the second coat. So let me get to spray. Alright guys, so that's pretty much the second coat, and come here. The texture looks so fine, it looks really thin, and that's how we wanted it to be. So we're just gonna let it dry and come back and put the logo. So just wait.
Alright guys, so already let the base layer of Raptor dry. How we're gonna we went ahead and put the marine emblem on there already, and now we're gonna go ahead and shoot the Raptor over it. Alright guys, let's get to it. Alright guys, so that's pretty much the first coat. We're just gonna let it sit there for about 45 minutes and then come back and get the second coat. I mean, there's still a little bit of shine there, but we're just gonna let it sit there. When we come back, we'll texture it and the shine will go away. Alright guys, so we let it sit there already for it to dry. All we're gonna do now is just take off the emblem. Guys, it's doable, but this is the hardest part, so hopefully we get this right. Just hold that one. This one. Hold that.
Let me cut it.
Alright.
You guys are doing a great job. You guys are doing an awesome job,
Coming
guys.
out really good.
Gotta be really good. guys, let me get out of the way and go to the other side. I don't want to move you all, so just hold on a little bit.
Okay.
There you go, guys. I felt like I was in your way.
Twists and turns. You get this one. Guys, just look at that. Looks amazing.
Okay, you guys are something else, man.
Yep.
You guys just took this Raptor thing. You guys just took it to the next level. If there was anybody that was doubting you all as far as Raptor, you guys just shut everybody up. Guys, check this out. All right, so what's the next step? Let it dry.
Alright, so now we're just gonna let it dry and then give it the second coat on that side. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. Now we're just gonna let it sit there and completely dry everything. And all we're gonna do now is just start taking off the paper and tape that we put up, see how it comes out, alright guys?
Okay guys, so we let it dry, so it's time to take off the paper. Okay guys, so that's pretty much all the paper. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna put the truck back together and wash it and give it back to the customer. So let's go wash it.
All right, so it looks like you guys are done.
Yes, we are completely done with this one. This one we decided to get it right on there really good because it's for a Marine veteran. And for this one we had originally started with the bed, just Raptoring the whole entire bed. They came, checked it out, see how it came out. And they saw that it came out good, so they decided for us to do the whole vehicle and just take a look. And they also asked if we can do a Marine Corps emblem on the side. So take a look, came out really nice.
Let's take a look at that texture.
texture came out really nice. We like how the emblem came out really. It's Raptor, but it's a gloss type.
Really thin.
It's a really thin Raptor.
Man, you guys did an awesome job. Good job, guys. I mean, the entire truck is great, but that emblem makes it stand out really nice.
Alright guys, so that pretty much wraps the video up. As you can see, it came out pretty good. The customers could be very satisfied. And if you guys have any more questions, let us know. Shoot us an email down here. As you can see, this is like, we've done previous designs before in the past, but this is our first time showing you a video. And if you guys have any questions about it, shoot us an email and we'll give you the best price. And like, no one will beat us on prices. So that's pretty much it.
Alright guys, and we can also do lettering, any type of designs you want. Just send us what you want for us to do for you guys on the vehicle, and we'll do it for you guys, alright? So thank you for all your support, and like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.